Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to Access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like location. After that, you need to scroll down and choose one of your apps. In my case, Amazon Shopping. Then tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click and go back, I can start Amazon Shopping just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. But you can always click on any of your apps, scroll all the way down and choose See All Permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!